How to use Cash App Pay over time explained. Buy now, pay later via Afterpay. Cash App has integrated Afterpay's flexible payment options into its platform, letting eligible users pay for purchases over time with no interests when payments are made on time. Two use cases. At checkout online, when shopping at participating merchants, you can choose Afterpay at checkout and manage that purchase inside Cash App. Retroactive option for past purchases. If you used your Cash App card within the last 7 days for an eligible transaction, minimum of $25, you may have the option to convert that purchase into a pay over time plan within the app. Third, no credit score impact, no hidden fees. Using pay over time doesn't affect your credit score. Plus, there are no hidden fees or interest as long as you pay on time. And availability and rollout. This feature started rolling out in March 2025 across hundreds of thousands of merchants, with more availability expected over time. How it works. At checkout, online shopping, choose Afterpay at checkout on participating merchant sites. Payments are scheduled and you can manage them via the Cash App interface. Now for recent Cash App card purchases, retroactive, eligible purchases made within 7 days, $25 and up, from in-network merchants appear in your activity list marked Pay Over Time Available. You can convert these transactions into a payment plan via the app. Terms and repay structure. Governed by a Cash App Afterpay Over Time loan agreement effective from March 2025, the issuer is First Electronic Bank. The financed amount is typically up to 75% of the transaction amount, as stated in the Truth in Lending disclosure. The total of payments equals the amount financed plus any finance charge, if applicable. If the payment due date passes unpaid, overdue interest may be charged weekly. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.